Introduction to automated testing. Welcome back. Today we're diving into automated testing. You'll learn what it is, why it's important, and see an example in action. Let's get started. What is automated testing? Automated testing uses scripts and tools to perform tests automatically. It's ideal for repetitive tasks, regression tests, and performance testing. Benefits of automated testing. The benefits include faster test execution, repeatability, reduced human error, and better coverage. Example of automated testing. Let's automate a login test using Selenium and Python. Here's a simple script. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.common.keys import keys. Set up the WebDriver. Driver webdriver.chrome. Navigate to the login page driver.get http://example.com/login. Locate and enter username. Username driver.find_element_by_name username.send_keys your _username. Locate and enter password. Password driver.find_element_by_name password. Password.send_keys your _password keys.return. Verify login success by checking the page title. Insert dashboard in driver.title. Close the browser. Driver. Quit. Automated testing is powerful for speeding up the testing process and ensuring consistency. Next, we'll compare manual and automated testing. Stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more QA content, leave your questions and comments below. Happy testing.